One, two, guys. Hello, hello. We're back to doing this, right? We're back to being online. We're back to streaming. We're back to talking to you, right? Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm just checking into a few things, prepping for the whole day up in front of us. And I'm just really hoping you guys are doing well. And if you are, let me know how are you, whether you're good, whether you're bad. Oh, good, doesn't matter too much. We're all here to support each other in a way, right? On this incredible journey to winning, to reading the price, to profits, to losses, whatever it is, right? Hope you guys are good. And give me one second. I'm gonna finish off a few things, and I'm gonna be right with you, right? Hello, Gus. Hello, Thomas. Hope you guys are good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm always good. When was the last time when I came here and I said, I had a bad day. Oh, I'm doing bad. When I'm doing bad, I'm not streaming. Very simple answer, man. When I'm doing bad, I'm not looking at the charts. When I'm doing bad, I'm not streaming. When I'm doing bad, I'm not interested in taking any risk. So, yeah, quite interesting, right? You won't even see me here when I'm doing bad. So I try to preserve that mental capital so when I'm here I can execute, right? Okay. Discord is ready to go. Discord is good. Charts are good. Voice looks like it's good as well, right? Let me know 1212. Everything is alright. And we're gonna what? We're gonna dig right into it. I'm about to finish my Dude, that is insane. You started in last week, didn't you, right? I think on what? On Wednesday? When was it? I think it was on Wednesday, right? That's awesome. That's cool, man. That is very cool. You guys are doing better than I am. Yep. You guys are doing better than I am, which is insane. Anywho, let's jump into the charts. Before we do, friendly reminder, right? We just had a massive week that brought the chart into a weekly level that we all wanted to see delivering, right? Not only that, we have a zero red economic news drivers. Trading day today, meaning there's no news today. There's nothing that is going to drive the market. Why? One thing, because there's no news. Second thing, UK is offline. UK is on a bank holiday. I have no idea what they're celebrating, but happy Christmas, happy Easter to them, whatever it is. But they're celebrating something. So that already stops the market from volatile movements, right? But on the other hand, we delivered. We wanted these lows to be delivered in terms of dollar index going to the downside. We wanted to see a lot of movement on NQ, on ES to the upside. We're going to dive into that in a way, in a bit, right? We're not too interested in participating right now. And this is nasty. This 1 hour for Val Gap is not doing any work. So I'm going to try to note this. Maybe for the close of 10 a.m., we're going to get something interesting delivered here. But my interest right now is these buy stops resting above. Very simple. This 15-minute didn't hold the price at all. But what we did, we took sell side resting below here, right? Sell side is taken. V formation panning out. Check 3 minutes chart, 2 minutes, 1 minute. I don't have an entry here. But I want to see the price driving above this. And pushing to the upside even further. If we do that, then it's perfect. Then it's brilliant. And then if the market can offer us such delivery, then we know what we're doing. We're looking to go short on ES and NQ, which we all gathered for. So information like this is a possible swing low for me. I like this, right? So I'm gonna continue to watch this. What confirms it? close above this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay? So watch this together with me. I have dollar index right here on the right hand side. A lot more charts on the other monitor, so we'll see. Okay. Jumping onwards. Euro. Nothing to my liking. I noted this yesterday during the Discord, like, do your chart session with me, right? That I'm interested in this holding in the price to allow it to push onwards to the upside. I'm gonna mark the sell side. This sell side won't remain. This is way too clean. This is literally engineered for 1, 2, 3 right swings already, or even. This won't remain. How high can we go? There's an hourly fair value gap right above Friday's high. Can we go lower from where we are at right now? Yes, we can. Is there an entry? No. Very, very simple answer for you guys. And I'm not gonna spend too much time on Forex neither, because I'm interested in indices a lot more. This 1 hour inversion happened, right? So there was a possible entry here on GU. Stop loss is just insane though, so I'm not in a trade. There was an entry during London though. But what I like now is that we're kind of opening this hourly fair value gap. So if we keep this open, and then after 10 a.m. we go below it, I'm gonna take a short here. This is gonna be my interest on GU, right? Bum. Bum. 1, 2, 3 risk reward. This is gonna be an awesome trade if the market offers it. So GU, I'm gonna put it on which monitor? I don't even know. I'm gonna put it somewhere so I can track it, and it should be interesting to see if we close below it. Right now, again, I'm not interested just yet in this. Okay. I should stop. I'm gonna give you a story, but let me open up indices and I'm gonna give you a silly story. This is the last time you heard me say though, because I'm annoyed even by myself already. So I went to a event last week, right? I think I had to finish the stream early on Thursday, and we went to a event where there were a few speakers, basically cool people talking about their lives. There was for the Lithuanian crew, right? There was a current director of Hotel Patsy. There was head of marketing of Kilo Health. There was some sort of how to call it, fashion guru, right? A girl that has a radio show, right, about fashion and stuff like that. So there are nice speakers talking about their life, correlates with their work, decision making, yada yada. But what's the name? The anchor itself, the woman that was leading the event, holy shit. We actually left early with my girlfriend because we couldn't just listen to it. Because what she did, she would say before releasing any thoughts. So instead of thinking in her head, she would think while saying and she would kind of ask questions and think of where the chart is going. You understand what I'm saying, right? It was nasty. It was awful to listen to, so we kind of just left. Even though I really wanted to hear those people speak, because those are interesting people, let's say, right? Interesting people, and please stop. So yeah, there was quite a few interesting people that we wanted to hear speak, right, about their lives, about what they do, and their daily routines and stuff like that. I'm always interested to hear stuff like that, but didn't happen. So back to the charts. This is the last time I said it. Okay, sorry guys. NQ, we have an hourly fair value gap. Same fair value gap is right here on yes. everything above it is bullish, everything below it is an inversion, and we go short. How simple is that? Boom, right? Boom. In a way, it can't get much simpler than this. So that is that is gonna be kind of the only sorry, won't say that again. That is gonna be the only interest for me today. Yes, we can draw into this 4-hour fair value gap, but even though if we do, I'm gonna probably just let it rip without me. We're gonna see. Maybe there's more structure 1 minute chart. And I'm interested in the price going lower from where it is right now. Okay. 15 minutes. So buy side taken. I'm just gonna take this off and I'm gonna try to remember that it happened. Okay. Object 3. Where is it? Not here. 15 minutes. 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour. Basically, I'm just gonna hide it for now. There's too many lines going on. So buy side taken on NQ, and we're trading in a old new week open gap, which is great, which I like, which I can deal with, right? Same is happening on ES, but ES, look at this, already inverted the 15 minutes per value gap. It's brilliant, which is something we can work with, all right? Can't we? So let's see. Inversion happened. There's no SMT just yet. We have still 3 minutes to go. Is there anything that we can work with here? Not yet. 5-minute inversion didn't pan out. Another inversion happening here. So I'm gonna note this until 10. 5-minute inversion. Can push the market to the upside with these. New week opening gap right below us. And literally I'm just gonna jump into 1 minute chart. We're gonna let the market open up. Oh, look how juicy. Look how juicy these equal highs are. That they won't stick. Not possible. Watch this right away. Watch this being kind of killed, and I'm not saying I missed it, but there's an entry for 2 handles. 2 handles. I'm not interested in that, but those won't stay. No chances. Guess, right? Do you like that? Fuck me. Anyhow, I like what I see on NQ in terms of a possibility to drive it higher. Watch this. Sell side taken. Going high. Break of structure with a inversion. And not only we got a 1 minute inversion, we also have a fair value gap entry. This is the trade I think Ignas in Discord was talking about, right? The markets are not open yet. This is my one setup for life entry. This is the trade, like that kind of works 80% of the time, in a way, for me at least, right? We have sell side taken, no SMT, but that's not needed for the setup itself. Bam, random in a way, random here. Buy stops taken, and yeah, you just target the initial buy side liquidity pool that you have next to the current price. The markets are not even open, and look what is happening. Holy. Fuck, I shouldn't say that. Sorry. And literally buy side taken right away from that inversion setup, which we traded on NFP on Friday. And that's lovely. I love setups like this. This is the best setup that I can find in the market. And now let's see. Lower prices is my interest for the day. I like this getting inverted. This is perfect. If we do invert that, I'm not gonna take a trade just yet. But this might be a possible trade entry in terms of going short. 10 handles. Stop loss. New week opening gap. I would love this to remain in place. Okay, it didn't. It just crashed, right? That didn't happen. If this would have stayed in, I would have loved to go short right here. But we're not getting that just yet. This entry is just brilliant. I love this entry that we just got offered here. This is amazing. So, on 1 minute chart, we have YouTube 2022 panning out, right? Buy stops taken, swing low. So let me hide these bad boys. Buy side taken, swing low taken, right? This can stay. Swing low right below this fair value gap, right? Fair value gap plus an inversion. Who's gonna go short with me? In a way, right? This is cool. I'm not coming with the highest expectations in terms of looking for setups or looking for trades or entries for today. I'm not, but this is the model. This is something we can work with. I don't like the fact that ES is kind of giving an SMT here. That's the most problematic part. Right? I don't like this too much, but in very simple terms, on paper, this is a entry. Can I enter this with full force, let's say? With my full risk? I can't because this is not an A+ setup. Why? No news drivers today, one. Second, we have an SMT that can easily indicate a bottom short term, right? And I don't want to be caught in consolidation at all. Where do we go lower? Look at that right away. Bam. Easy. Let me send one message. What are you guys looking at today? What are you looking to trade? What are you looking to do today? Because I'm not really interested in trading today. But I position like this is textbook. This is Arnes, I don't know if you're here. We literally traded this on Friday during NFP. It was an awesome trade. Brilliant trade in a way, right? Outside resting glove. Let's note that. And outside the resting below here. I like that too. You see? Exactly the same trade. Can it pan out? There's an issue with this. A big issue. Friday, when we entered this, there was no SMT to the downside of that. And we have an SMT here, which is problematic. This is the main problem. If this doesn't pan out, SMT is the main problem here. Okay? So we have to consider that. We have to keep that in mind. Okay? And inversion offered. Right here, right there. Can it push higher from it is where it is right now? With these. Nothing is holding the price now. In a way. Right? Why nothing? I'm saying kind of nothing is holding in the price because of this SMT. So if this fails, issue is right here that we noted immediately, right? It will be too bad. Bam. You were in trade, you're killed on this one right away. And now I'm gonna say this out loud as well, is that the whole day might be like this. The whole day might just push us higher, lower, here, lower. Kill us on the buy stops, kill us on the sell stops. Why? because there's no news drivers today and the price can literally do whatever it wants to. Sadly. Sadly. It is what it is. We're gonna have to find a way to work with this. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it will probably just nicely push higher, at least for the upcoming 20 minutes or so, from this 5 minutes for value gap. That shouldn't be a problem. But with this swing low, we've built even more sell side resting below on NQ, which I'm happy with, right? This is the answer. So if anybody was looking at this entry, which is textbook entry, which is cool, SMT is the issue here, right? So for your notes, if you just failed, right? If you booked a losing trade on your demo account, right? This is the issue. You should put it to your notes, right? You should put every single position that is possible to be taken like this, your notes, and then you know that if there's an SMT like this, you're not entering because you've seen it not panning out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, whatever times, right? This is a very good opportunity to learn something from this. So there's a little bit of the daily fair value gap left. And yes, though, like from this inversion, we noticed, right? 2 handles, 5 handles right here, but you wouldn't be in a trade like this. You wouldn't hold on to this. If you're holding on to this, you're crazy. We're gonna have to let it rip in a way. And just like I said, I'm not interested in buys here. If it rips without me. Fine by me. But I literally said it in the weekly outlet. I literally posted it in quite a few places this morning and over the weekend as well. I'm not interested in going long. Even if it pushes us higher, I'm cool with being wrong on this one. I'm totally fine. But we're way too high up in the premium for me to go long here. Way too high. But this is brilliant. Do you see how it consolidated right here? So let's draw a box. And what does power of 3 tell us, right? Accumulation. What do we have here? We have manipulation for the Judah swing. And what's the third stage? Distribution. This is brilliant. This is cool. This is something we can understand and work with, right? What do we want to see now? We want it to happen again. We want to see price accumulate. So exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait it out. Can it invert here? Yes, easily. Would I go short here? No, thank you. I'm gonna need 10 a.m. to hit the market. Possible inversion though. I'm just taking a note of that. And first for value gap opening up here on yes, right? Well, this might be an inversion, but we also have the first fair value gap opening up here, right? Why I'm saying that I'm not gonna take this because it can easily do that. Am I interested in what? A short with 11 handles? No, thank you. No, thank. Inversion here. SMT is visible also, right? This is good. I'm not willing to touch this though. Can this be a trade? Big. Not interested. Nope. Bum 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 bum. Can this just push through? Yes, with these. So this is why there's no entry for me though. But right away, an interesting point. We have an SMT at the top now. Watch this, right? This is a good indication. This is something we can work with already, right? This is something reasonable, let's say. Reasonable in terms of, okay, we can read this. We kind of understand what is happening now. Okay? This is cool. Push to the upside, not random. If this tops here, not random neither. Bum, bum. So, again, yes, we have an inversion. Yes, this is good. Right? This is something that kind of allows us to get rid of the market. But I'm not taking this. I'm not interested. Because I want to see more structure. And now because we took that loss, right? You know, from here, I want to see more. I know that I'm wrong, right? I know that a PD array that is supposed to do the work is not doing it. What does it mean? It means that the probabilities are not good enough. And the market itself even says, okay, dude, you should wait it out. Shouldn't be getting into a position right now. Because a setup that you take day in, day out didn't work, right? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait it out. No pressure at all. Wait the game, right? What did I say on the weekly report? Everybody who's gonna be patient this week is gonna be a winner, right? This is exactly what is happening right now. Everybody that is gonna stay patient in conditions like this that are awful. I'm repeating myself already today. Awful again. If you want me to tell you one more time why they're awful, I'm happy to do it. Let me know. But conditions right now for high probability trading are awful. For gambling, why not? Even better than usual. But yeah. I want to see a break of structure on ES now. I think this buy side 5187 might be taken, but I want to see break of structure on ES to execute on InQ. InQ is very much showing that it's going to be weaker. Sell side, everything. It is a lot weaker than ES. And I like how gassed out it's becoming as well, right here. This is lovely. The chart is literally kind of showing that, okay, I don't have much intention of on going higher from where we are at right now. It's good. Another SMT, right? Those are just booking one after another, one after another. Come on, and we don't need this. we don't. We don't. But if it gives us, it does. So what can you do? Bomb. MCT. SMT denied. Let's see. Take a look again. 15 minutes. That fair value gap is gonna be very interesting. Well, it's closing in 10. Right? One. Yes, in Q, high taken. So we're in sync now again, right? Chart is moving in tandem. The part I didn't like is that dollar is moving in tandem to the upside as well. Expected though, expected. We called for an ugly price action today before it started. Take a look though, guys. Take a look at what I posted on Discord minutes ago. Go ahead and take a look. You're gonna understand right away why you have to be slow, why you have to stick to the rule sets you have, why you have to stick to the plan. why you have to listen to your notes in a way. I hope that you have them next to you. Take a look at what I posted on Discord and you're gonna understand right away. So this is gonna be interesting now. I think so. If we go lower today, for the day itself, not right, it's for the day. Right? Market maker sell model. If that pans out, I think this is gonna be the most important for value gap for that, because it still might push the price to the upside from here, and then we're probably if we kind of get an entry to go lower, we're gonna get it because this is gonna get broken. So put it to your notes. What is Forex doing though? What is Forex doing? Nothing. What's dollar doing? Boring. Too bad. Sorry. We're going to the daily fair value gap. We are in it. Huh? We're in it already. There's nothing to go for. In a way. And then with the usually it's much better than to see price not closing a daily fair value gap like this. It makes the market a lot more bearish when a close like we're watching right now doesn't happen. It's a lot better for bearish prices. I don't want to see it close fully. Like it's just, why? Literal question, why? I want to see it just remain open in a way. It's much healthier for us that way. This is good. Buy side resting above. We're getting we're getting an SMT as well now. In a way, not to perfection, but let's see. 7 minutes to go, guys. 7 minutes. Forex pushing to the upside. I only have 5-minute charts, so I don't see whether it's from hourly or 15, whatever. But Forex pushing to the upside. But yeah, I don't want to see the full-on close of that daily fair value gap. Like it's not needed. But I think 5187 might get hit on yes. Yeah. Yeah, if we close and reject, yes, but it means that the price is strong. It will not allow the price to go so deep lower. Right? Because you usually, so, okay, let me do some drawing. Bum, 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 bum. So you can have a fair value gap like this, right? And the price, so, and usually what you want to do is usually, so let's say candle, another candle. This is gonna be nasty, but bam, bam. So you have a few possibilities in terms of entries when this happens, right? You can enter at institutional order flow drill, which is immediately. And if the price offers that, usually you get the most liquid run to the downside. Because it literally indicates bearishness. Bam, tagged ghost. It literally indicates an impulse. The algo literally says, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's very good. Then sometimes you're gonna get an entry, which is also valid. at 50% level, right here, which is cool. I'm not saying that it's a bad entry. I'm fine with that, but that already indicates that price isn't that much willing to go lower, because this literally takes buy side, resting above, bam, goes. This usually punches in a lot more. It allows more people to get in. Full on close, like we're getting right now, is literally allowing everybody to get into the trade. Algo doesn't want anybody in this except smart money. So when everybody is able to get into a trade, it's going to either go here in a very distractive manner, very slowly, or it's just going to go in reverse. And we're not interested in that. We want to see liquid runs. We want to see low resistance liquidity runs. So we get the most liquid runs with institutional order flow entry drills, IFDs. You bomb, you tag the fair value gap, you go. Nobody's in the trade. That's what we want to see. Right now, everybody can get into this. So I'm not interested for the fair value gap to get closed because it allows other people to get in, meaning that retail is going to be in this trade. What does it mean when the retail is in the trade? It means it's going to fuck us over in a way as well. We got an inversion that I just missed. Fuck. It's cool though. I'm going to watch this 5-minute inversion. If we're going to get this, I'm going to go short for a second time today. But yeah, I hope Arnes this helps. I hope Arnes this explains why I don't want to see the full on close. Think who was somebody in one of the calls, either Edgaras or Domus talked about it, that ICT mentioned it in one of his streams. This is why I say always go watch ICT streams instead of me talking. Anybody else, even when ICT streams, just go watch him. Don't even trade, because you need to learn first. Not make money, not trade, not execute. You need to learn first, right? So that's why I say always go watch the ICT when he's online. And he kind of said that the goal of algo is just to fuck everyone over. So when the fair value gap is just tagged like it was half an hour ago, bam, it runs, nobody's in the trade, nobody's able to participate in it. Now, look how much opportunities it's giving for retail to get in. There's a crossover like this, there's a pattern like this, there's another pattern like this, you know? Everybody can be in a trade right now. And I don't like this because then the algo is going to start fucking us over because every retailer is in a short now. I don't like that. Hope this explains. Hope this was insightful. Okay, again, 15 minutes. Feral gap right here. 15 minutes right here. 5 minutes. Not gonna be interested in going short before that is inverted. Yes, just becoming a little bit too nasty to my liking, but one more minute to go. Yep. 1 more minute to go. Was it clear enough, Arnes, though? In terms of like why I want to see a close of fair value gap. Like even right here, right? Tagging like this and going is much better than going in, consolidating, allowing everybody to go, and then just probably doing something like that. We don't want to see this. What we want to see is price goes in, bomb, tags, bomb, runs, 3 candles, take profit, that's it, you're done for the day. You don't want to see those nasty runs where you can kind of say, okay, 50-50 all the time, go long, go short, right? You don't want to see that. 10 a.m. Let's watch the price. So I'm gonna kind of come back to the basics now, right? What does YouTube 2022 model say? Food for thought. Think about it. Now, I'm gonna take a look at other charts. Nothing interesting. What does U2 2022 model say? It says, when the time is right, brackets, kill zone, we want to see buy stops being taken, we want to see break of structure, and we want to see a Ferrell gap. This is what I'm gonna wait for on a yes now. I said resting above, I want it to be taken, I want to see a break of structure, and then I'm gonna look for a short. Simple. If that doesn't happen, I'm not touching this. I'm not trading, I'm not executing, I'm not putting any risk. That's it. I want to see close below this 15-minute, 5-minute for value gap, right? 3 drives / 3 Indians pattern. Who likes reading retail books? 3 Indians pattern. Right here. And it's giving us an SMT, which is cool. So we're getting another 5-minute closure. Let's take a look. Nothing too interesting. We're gonna do kind of 5 more minutes of waiting because of that. Too bad I wasn't able to get this done. At the same time, I'm looking at this and on InQ itself. Is there an entry to buy in? So if you, there is a possibility to trade this as a turtle soup, right? You get an SMT, kind of believe that the daily closure will happen, right? You can enter from here. You can enter SMTs like that. I hate trades like this, and that it's not high enough probability. It's too risky. All the YouTubers show trades like this. They sit around, they wait. Bam! I entered right here. Bam! Come on, in a way, right? Just kind of putting in bullshit positions without much reasoning. But this, on the other hand, when you kind of trust the SMT as a part of a structure in the market, this is a perfect entry. But where the hell are you placing your stop loss? Here? 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 Even lower? I don't know. I have no idea. So I don't trade this. If I would be trading without stop losses, yes, this is an entry for me. How long would I hold this? I don't know. Maybe till here? I have no idea. But yeah. This is gonna be a long session where we're gonna wait and wait and wait, I think. Unless in the next 5 minutes it breaks. If it doesn't, then it is gonna become tough. Okay. Nothing too interesting just yet. So let's jump into something that the guys traded today, right? Excuse me. It was 7 a.m. by the year, right? I can't see what they traded though. Let's check. Seven AM inverted for value gap. I don't see this. Bum bum double bottom. Bum bum double bottom. 7 AM. Trying to figure out what the guys traded today. 1040. Oh, this. Holy shit. What do we have? We have an SMT as well. Oh, an SDS was. So let's watch one more time. What did we say? 5187. What did we say? Huh? 5187. Can we go lower now? Finally we can. This is good. What does YouTube 2022 model say? Huh? Says during the kill zone we want to see buy side / sell side taken. We want to see liquidity taken. But we just get liquidity taken, right? See what's next. I like this setup, but at the same time, no, I like this. Entry here. Only 6 handles stop loss. Double top. This is cool. But I wouldn't have held on to this. I would have gotten, there's a fair value gap here. I would have moved stop loss to break even. Bam, I would have gotten killed here. This is a nice setup though, but I wouldn't have held on through this, sadly. This is a cool setup though. Didn't even see it today. Interesting. So again, ES just has to push through this. Coming from far, far away, right there. It's a 4-hour. High of a fair value gap, so I think it might just push through that, just kill the liquidity resting above there. And then let's see, 5 minutes, 1 minute. You see how boring this is? Yes, this was exciting, but at least for me, there was no participation. Could you have traded this 5-minute inversion here? Yeah, could have. Could I? No, because my target was here. So like it was 2 handles target. I can't do that. Will we get something offered today? I don't know. We're engineering some liquidity. Look what is happening here. This is cool. Stuff like this doesn't stick. Stuff like this. Engineered liquidity never sticks. Longer term. Question now is that gonna get attacked today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? 10 days from now? Not able to say. But I'm looking for a short. I'm not interested in buy. Why? Because I want to see price close above this. This is not a random like gray box, whatever. This is an efficiency in terms of daily fair value gap. 18120.25. If that breaks on a closing basis later today, I'm not interested in shorts anymore. So far, all is Gucci. Break of structure just happened. SMT just happened. Right? Gonna be second attempt for me. Knuckles cracking. Getting ready. Break of structure plus fair value gap. Call to action. I just learned another word for shorts. Call to action. Oh my god. This is becoming very funny in a way. What we're doing out here, but yeah, call to action received, break of structure happened. I want to see cell stops being in place, still remaining in here. That would be theory. We don't get it, we don't get it. But make this a lot nicer. Yes, showing weakness. Where is my interest going? On them. Yes. Let's see. Two possible entries. Again, I'm reading this. I'm not doing too much in terms of putting on risk. Going for something massive here or yada yada, right? I'm watching it. Interest right now is to watch it so I can understand what are we gonna do later. Right? Once I know that, then the not good part starts, right? Then you guys saw that many times. Then we can go in, execute, kind of take everything we can from the market, right? Right now, so far, have to stay intact, let's say. We can't overdo this just yet. Okay, so 5 minutes chart SMT is in place. Break of structure in 1.5 minutes, right? Can this hold on in terms of price just remaining in place? Yes, it easily can do that. So gotta be careful now. There's no real break of structure just yet. It broke the structure in terms of market shift. I want to see model panning out, right? I want to see an inversion. I want to see YouTube 2022 keyword. Call to action, YouTube 2022. Right? So it would be cool to close below this. If we don't get it, we don't get it. It's fine. Would be lovely to close below that 5 minute possible inversion sooner or later, right? Because right now it's just nothing too interesting. Oh, this is cool. Let's see how we work this for value gap. Huh? I would love to see this 5-minute inversion happening. Or any big opportunity, let's say. I just kind of getting killed here on ES, right? Yep. ES is kind of over. Taking that off. Paper. Inversion. Yeah. Do you remember in the 5th minute of the stream what I said? When I said the market can just go higher, lower, higher, lower without much care, without much reliability, without much even explanation. This is a day where you can be easily in a position where you're like, the hell is happening? I don't know. You can easily get caught in positions like that. Today is the day where that can happen. I want to see that 5-minute inversion, man. Badly. Let's take this off. I want the price closing below this. We get that. Really. We might even get it. Brilliant. Right? The 2 minutes. I thought 1 minute. Okay. 2 minutes for this. And now it's giving way. Bad. This is what it is, though. Let's see. So we finally got that inversion we wanted to see, right? We are getting a 5-minute inversion here as well, right? Which is beautiful. 1.5 minutes to go. So knowing that, this is something I'm gonna try to work. 12 handles, stop loss. These 3 handles, take profit, right? This is something I'm gonna take a look. See whether the market can deliver finally in terms of something we can work with or not. Okay? Bum, bum, bum. 1 more minute to go. We want to see a close below this, right? If we close below that, that's muy bien. Entry right away. I'm not in this white thing. I want to see a closure below this. Because right now, the only thing that happened, sell side was taken from this fair value gap, which is a very reasonable move, right? Now, do we get this inversion in 3, 2, 1, please? Nope. Boring. We didn't, did we? We did. Holy fuck. That's awesome. It's brilliant. I love this. It got an inversion. How did I not see this though? Holy fuck. 115. 150. Oh my god, we inverted it ages ago. I'm sorry. So we got that inversion 15 minutes ago, right? Too bad. Now, possibilities are endless. Huh? This is gonna be the only thing that I'm interested for today. That doesn't work. Doesn't work. Fine with that, and I'm not gonna be interested in that at all. I want to see price do the work now. Badly. This is not it? Oh, fine by me. But we inverted this 5 minute. We have YouTube 2022 panning out, right? Right here. YouTube 2022. Let's see if that is going to be something that we can participate in or not. Might very, very easily just kill us right away and just continue pushing through. If that happens, I'm done for today. Not interested. The only thing that I'm interested right now is the price drawing lower. I don't want to see it going any higher than what it is offering at all. And I want to see closure below this 5 minute. The quicker we on 5 minute charts, the quicker we can close below this, the better. Right? ES though looks a lot better because ES is showing us how to say that it is weaker though. Because you see, SMT is on that side on ES. And Q showed that it's a little bit stronger at this current point, right? When the SMT was great. So we're not too happy, right? It's cool though. Bam. And this is what I'm not interested to see at all. The only thing I'm interested is in price going lower, right? So let me throw this to the side. Just we have to keep it for the notes, right? But paper, what I want to see is closure below this inverted fair value gap on 1 minute chart. Because otherwise, this is just gonna kind of kill us in terms of, okay, we looked to going short. Now we can go long because this inversion happened, right? And you can just literally kill your account while just trying to understand what the market is offering you and just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth without much reasoning behind it, you know? And this is the last line of defense on ES. Like you're not interested in anything above it, in Q neither. We don't want to see it closing above this buy side taken, which is cool. But we don't want to see anything closing above this. Funny thing would be if that would just wick through this and go lower. That would be very, very clean indication of markets not being up to standard and not willing to give us any high probability. And just cool. I don't mind. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys doing though? Let me know. You see? Everything is getting literally disrespected. Why? 15 minutes. I'm not joking. When you saw my, like in the stream itself, how many times we looked at it, right? and literally just release the market a lot higher than we are willing to see it go. A lot higher. Four-hour close and 3 hour. Oh my god, far away from now, man. The only thing that saves us now is that. So in Q, we're not interested in closure above this. The only thing that saves us is if we kill this buy side resting above on ES right here, and in Q kind of leads us into SMT at these highs. That is the only possibility of saving our asses in this position now. So two things. Watch this. 1 minute for value. We don't want this to get inverted. What would be awesome, what would be lovely, is that ES takes this buy side resting above and NQ fails. That would be amazing. That would literally just crash the market right away in next like 3 to 4 minutes, 5 tops. If that SMT is delivered. Will it? I don't know. You tell me. Who sees YouTube 2022 panning out on NQ? At the same time, who sees 1 minute inversion for a buy, right? We have YouTube 2022 panning out for a short, and we have an inversion panning out for a long. Which one do you take? God knows. This is why it's not high probability trading condition. This is why I'm risking $20 per trade. You can't do more than that. It's just impossible. Then it's literal gambling. You're not reading the price. You're literally just pressing a button hoping for something to pan out. Bullshit. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Again, I just told you. Is this a YouTube 2022 or is it an inversion? Huh? Which one do you take? God knows. That's why I said nothing good is gonna happen today. No, nothing. I'm repeating myself. I'm getting boring. I'm becoming boring in front of you guys, but that's what it is. And I am here to tell you that. Who else gonna? Everybody says, yeah, I just made $10,000 trading this and that, right? No, you didn't. You wasted 15 positions before you got to that, right? What we do here, we just go one shot, one kill, and we profit out of that. Yes, I'm in Jordan. I took those short. Took a short earlier, right here. You saw me do that. Over here, loss number 1. Took a short here, loss number 2. I'm in 3rd position. My total risk for the day, 0.5%. I'm far away from a 0.5%, but I'm not gonna trade more. If this doesn't work, I'm not gonna touch it anymore, right? Because no, it's not high probability. I know that it's dangerous to do this today, right? I'm taking very small positions. So even if this doesn't pan out, even if I lose right now 3 trades in a row, listen to me. I'm literally about to possibly lose 3rd trade in a row in an hour. I'm gonna be losing less than 0.5%. Who the fuck cares about 0.5%? Like, this is the brilliance of knowing this is a low probability. When it's high probability, dude, losing 3 positions, that means I'm down like 2.5%. I'm probably gonna, if this is the high probability day and I enter with a proper risk and I lose 3 in a row, I probably blew up the account. But haven't lost 3 in a row on a high probability conditions day ever in 4.5 years of trading. You do you. This is boring though. This is very, very, very boring. Oh, come on, let's go. I don't care. I'm lit. I started to make the course, the one that I want to you to all through, learn, better, and all that stuff. First thing that I go over in the course, we're not here to make profit. We're not here to win. We're not here to make money. I don't care about this. You shouldn't neither care about having on good habits, having a good set of rules, trusting those rules, learning day in, day out, right? This is what we're going to work on. Profits, they're going to come. Whenever time is good, they're going to come. We're not going to learn that. We're not going to focus on that because then it becomes bullshit. I'm what? Like 1.1, 1.4, 1.7, 1.9. I'm 2.1k in drawdown right now. You know what I would be doing right now if I would care about profit? Being 2.2k in drawdown right now, I would be killing myself. I'm not here for the profit. I'm here to have conviction, to execute, to have a set of rules. When I do that, everything else comes in. Everything else is good. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do during the course itself. I literally started working, like not preparing a course, but working on it this morning, meaning filming and executing on it. Lots of good stuff coming soon. Maybe we can even release something this week. Tiger, hello. How are you? Good today, man. What's good? What's good? I'm sorry. You'll think that I'm crazy. ICT literally texted in his oh my god, in his YouTube mentorship. Not YouTube mentorship, private mentorship. Today is Gambler's Delight. I just posted it in Discord. Oh, that made me laugh. It is true though. This is Gambler's Delight. Like, there's nothing proper in this price. Nothing. Look at that. What the fuck is this? That's okay. And he looks a little bit better. Look at like no. So I love what he said. Gambler's Delight. That's just I came back from late today and just reset my account. Was too. When did you manage to lose an account, man? Oh no. Don't tell me last week. If you did, you're a very bad student. Bad boy, man. Bad boy. If you lost it last week, you shouldn't have even touched it last week. Last week was FOMC and NFP. There was nothing like probability last week. Nothing. Thursday. Fuck me. It's on you, in a way. Thursday, you knew it's not supposed to trade. You come into the market, you lose an account. Why? Because you decide to trade on a day when you're not supposed to. I'm gonna go home soon. I just got texted my girlfriend and I'm ready to go. she's in another office, like I don't know, 3 minutes away from mine. I just texted her that I'm done for today, that we can go home. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm kind of blaming you. Sorry, hiker, but I'm literally gonna say this. Kind of blaming you for losing your own account. It's not my interest in a way. At the same time, dude, you could have had an account if you didn't touch the market. Thinking, how hard it is to listen. Maybe I'm not trustworthy. Maybe my beard is nasty or something like that. But let me know what I can do to make myself more trustworthy in a way. But you shouldn't have traded last week. You didn't, and at the same time, losing an account like that on Thursday, you didn't learn anything neither. You just wasted your own time, which is just too bad. But okay, I'm done. I'm gonna stop there. I'm still holding on to this short, which is a shitty short. I'm gonna close it soon because I want to go home. Nothing interests me here. Nothing. Check my email before I do that to make sure that everything that is supposed to be done is done today. Oh my god, why can't I open my email? There we go. This push to the upside, that this is what I don't like right away. Like, why? Because it's opening up an invaluable gap. That's an impulse, right? We don't want to see impulses onto the other side of the market that we're looking to trade, right? Impulses to the other side of our interest is bad. I'm gonna get this stop loss. I'm gonna eat this stop loss. No. But I guess it is what it is. Not much you can do. This fair value gap, last line of. So if this will start pushing the price to the upside right here, I'm gonna concede. I'm gonna close. If we just tag it and start running away, this is an indication right away for me. Get out, get out, get out. Get a 10 or something. Also, it was a reasonable trade. Yeah, I hear you. I don't agree with you though. If you're interested why I'm not agreeing with you, let me know. But yeah, I don't want to go too much into that. But let me know if you want to get reasoning why it wasn't a good trade. But you probably know it yourself. There was no proper setup left. Not a single setup was proper. And I'm killing half trade bomb. Yeah, killed. Probably might get an full on trade kill. $162. Too bad though. Too bad. Every time I show up to the stream, I kind of want to execute. I want to trade. I want to show you guys both sides, let's say. The market, where you're winning, where you're losing, how you deal with that, and etc. So I'm here to do that, and I'm happy to do that. I don't mind. But again, 15 minutes. 5 minutes. Paper, we have that in version, which is bullshit, but it's okay. 2 minutes. 1 minute. Oh, have another SMT, right? Bum. So for the macro, right? The macro is starting in 10 minutes. I don't want to say it out loud, but interest is exactly the same. Interest is look for shorts. Oh, this is funny. But yeah, the macro is still short. But yeah, not. And that is a big good for us, Which is worth trading more, AM or PM session? It depends. I hate saying that. Depends, right? But it depends on two things. Depends first on your preference. Because the delivery is exactly the same. Both AM and NQ, exactly the same delivery. So you can't say that AM or PM is better. Your preference. If you can be here at the charts at 9:30 New York time, AM is better. You can be at the charts 1:30 p.m. PM is better. Now, which is better in terms of high probability trading? It all depends on what happens at night. If you get a consolidation during morning hours, AM is going to be good. If there's no consolidation and the market just rock and rolls during morning hours, AM is going to be shit and PM is going to deliver high probability trading. Right? And we talked about this day in, day out. Let me tag you on something in Discord, actually. Study channel. If you're watching and you want to know a little bit more than what we do here in YouTube, come to Discord, guys. Come to Discord. Lots of good stuff happens in Discord, dude. Like I'm letting it all go in Discord myself. How do I tag somebody? Reply. No, can I create? No, I can't. Okay. Copy message link. General. At Tiger. Read this. This is gonna be now the last trade for me today. I hate the fact that I'm gonna take this. But this is a YouTube 2022 on yes now panning out. And I'm gonna go short here. I hate the fact that I'm gonna do it. Shouldn't be doing this. I'm saying it out loud. By the way. But I'm gonna take it. Right here. To handle stop loss. Take profit below. Let's go. I hate the fact that I'm gonna push this button, but I'm gonna do it. It might not even offer me an entry, but here we go. Watch this. Again, read it. Don't trade it. Don't fool around. Don't trade this. Read it. Inversion. Rival gap. Go to 2022. Sell side resting below. Right? Yes. I see that too. I like sell-side resting below here. I do like it. I like going short overall. Only I said it 15 times today. I like going short today. But yeah. Q is looking. So IFD right here. Arnes, we talked about it. You don't want the full-on close. IFD. If IFD is so offered, price runs, price goes. Da 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 da. In a way, it literally goes like it was shot from a gun or something. It just rips. It just goes. Duh, 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 duh. We'll see. But you don't want it going any higher now. The rip low. Right? You don't want. Uh, it can go higher easily. It can. Nobody says it can't. There's a big difference between an entry like I just noted now and an entry from higher up in a premium array. It goes much slower. Okay? Keep that to your notes. IFD. There's a lot of cell site built into this. Shitloads of cell site. So inversion here, which is lovely. I'll just let me take this off. A that inversion here. Can easily not hold it like that. That's why I don't like what I'm doing here. Looking for this short. With ease, it just can rip us apart. I'm gonna go home. I'm not gonna stay in. I'm the full position built in now, which is a heavy position now. That the position that I have is a lot heavier than what we traded before. But right now, I want to see what I want to see. This holding in. This is a YouTube 2022. I don't want anything above this. If anything pushes the price above this, I'm just out. Pum 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 pum. I don't want to purchase. Okay. Want to see speed now? I want to see happiness right away. Okay. We get that lovely. If we don't, I'm 0.5% down for today, which is fine. It's fine by me. Okay. I'm gonna give this like 3 minutes or so, and that's it. And we're gonna be done for the day. And you can laugh at me afterwards, guys, because I literally said this is gonna be a very nice day. I'm still doing this. Just bad. Wrong. But seriously, this is not cool. You shouldn't be doing this. Yep. So let's set some targets. Pum 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 pum. I want to see those. I want to see something down here. I'm just talking to myself. Sorry, but I am. And yeah, so either Nasdaq or ES closing above it. I'm just gonna kill this. I'm not interested in holding on to this. Like bullshit price action is just killing not only the equity curve of the account, but it's just killing you mentally as well. So you don't want to be in this. This looks like finally it is a nice entry. Here. Put this to your notes. Learn from this, right? But you see, one more time, guys, not the first time I'm gonna say this. Today is Monday. Through what? Through NFP Friday. Plus, we have 0 news drivers during the market today. Nothing good is bound to happen. Literally nothing. The market is here to destroy you, destroy everybody. Nothing cool is gonna happen. Beautiful part is that you follow the rules, follow what you do, work with that. Just awesome. Just lovely. Oh yeah. Just wanted to let you know. $3 up. The market is mean. Exactly. And we all knew it's gonna be. That's the beautiful part of doing what we do. We can know about things happening. Do you understand what I'm saying? We know about it. It's not that we're guessing. We're not putting bets. We're not gambling. We're not thinking, okay, Red Dog is gonna win this race. Bullshit. We don't do that here. We know when things are gonna happen in the market. Like we do now. The bullshit price is gonna come in. We knew it. This is the most incredible part for me. Love this. Knowing versus guessing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna slowly start signing off. I'm gonna turn the camera off, put my stuff in, and I'm gonna close the stream in 5 to 10 minutes. Watch this. We wanted 5187 to be hit. Now watch sell side resting below. That's my interest for today. Otherwise, I'll wish you a safe rest of the day. Happy Monday. Good luck and good trading. If you do that, try to stay away from the markets today. And yeah. See you around, guys. Bye. Bye.